Good morning, kids. Welcome to St. Peter's School. Open your Term 1 book, page number 139. So, kids, in the previous class, we learned about parts of plants. What are the functions of leaf? What are the functions of stem? What is the function of roots? And different functions of different parts of plants. Also, we learned about what are trees and what are shrubs. Okay? Also, I gave you a homework in which you had to color the picture of a plant and label its part. I hope you have done it. Good. So, in this class, I am going to teach you about two different types of plants, that are herbs and creepers. So, kids, what are herbs? So, have you seen a plant of mint? Mint, I hope you know what is mint. Mint is nothing but a plant of pudina. Also, you have seen a plant of coriander. Okay, what is the difference between these plants? This plant is very small, soft, and very delicate. Have you observed it carefully? So corianders are very soft. The stems are very soft. Yes, so these are called as herbs. So I'll read about herbs. Herbs are soft, green, and tender stems. They are very delicate. These plants are weak and have very less strength in their stem and can be easily uprooted from the soil. Okay, if even if you put a very bit pressure on the stem and you pull out, the plant will immediately come out of the soil with the root. So this means that the herbs are very weak. We need to take care of these plants. Okay, kids. So example of herbs are rice, onion, grass, mint, coriander. There are many different types of herbs. You can google it on the net and you can find different plants which are herbs. Also, an important point about herbs have herbs includes lots of vitamins and minerals. Many of the medicines are made with the help of herbs. Okay, kids. Now the another type of tree is creepers. Any plant that grows along the ground or on another plant and needs their support for their growth is called creepers. So kids, have you observed around in your surrounding that there are few plants who need support of ground or support of wall to grow? For example, money plant. Have you observed it carefully? It grows on the wall with the help of the wall, right? It cannot grow without any support. So these types of plants are called as creepers. Now your homework is you have to find out different types of creepers. Okay, kids? Also, you have to find different types of herb plants. Good. Now, on page number 139, can you see different types of roots? Yes. So, also I am going to teach you today what are roots and there are many different types of roots. Okay, kids? So let's begin. The roots. Look at the picture. In the first picture, the roots are very big. Yes. And in the second picture, the root is very thin or long. It's kind of a single branch which is coming downward the soil. And in the third picture, you can see the roots are not that big and not too small also. It has been spreaded in the soil, but I don't think that it's very strong. Yes, kids, so these are different types of roots. I'm going to tell in detail about this roots further. So kids, listen to it carefully now. Roots of plant grow deep into the soil. They also spread wide across the ground. The roots of big plants grow deeper and spread wider. Okay, kids? So there are different types of trees around you. All the trees have different types of roots. Now, before going into detail about the roots, I want you to do an exercise which is an activity which you can do at your home. It's a very interesting activity, kids. What you have to do, you have to take a pot or anything in which you can put soil, and what you have to do, now listen. Take a small tumbler and fill it with soil. You have to take a pot, fill it with soil, water it for day, and then sow 5-6 grams of seed. What you have to do, you have to water the soil for one day and then put few seeds of coriander or any seeds which you can get. Keep watering it every day. So kids, you have to water the soil every day. After few days you can see tiny shoots growing above the soil. If you carefully pull out the baby plant, you can also see the root. Isn't it interesting, kids? It is. So I want you to do this exercise and activity carefully so that I can teach you in detail about different kinds of roots. Okay kids, I hope you do this activity so that you can learn more about the roots. Also, I hope you have understood what are herbs, what are creepers. Yes kids, I hope this lecture has helped you to understand more about plants. Yes kids? Good. Should I revise a quick revision? Yes, listen to it carefully. In today's lesson, we learned about herbs, we learned about creepers, we learned about different types of root, but we haven't learned in detail. I'm going to teach in detail in the next class. For that, you have to do an activity. Okay, kids? Good. Thank you, kids, for your attention. I hope you do your activity carefully and come up with new questions in the next activity. Okay, kids.